Hello friends, welcome back to my channel NAVPREET. I hope you all are doing well. I am back again with another informative video. This video is going to be regarding BSc Nursing in Canada, that is Bachelor's of Science in Nursing degree in Canada. In this video, I am going to talk regarding BSc Nursing degree in Canada, program admission requirements and courses you are going to study while studying this study program. I am going to talk regarding tuition charges, requirements in order to secure your place for placements, registration exam, that is Nclex-rn. Last but not least, I am going to talk regarding career opportunities after finishing this study program and after passing your registration exam. This video is going to be useful for both domestic as well as international applicants who are interested in nursing and looking forward to become a registered nurse here in Canada on study. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do consider to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon in order to get notified for the future upcoming videos as well. So friends, without any delay, let's start with today's video. BSc Nursing is a 4-year study program and student can pursue it as a 4-year full-time study program or an accelerated nursing program or as a part-time study program. This study program focuses on protection of health by prevention and treatment of illness. So this program prepares nurses so that they can protect the health of general public by prevention and treatment of illness. Clinical placements are an essential part of this study program. This study program is offered both at university level as well as at the college level. Proceeding further, let's talk about program admission requirements. In order to get admission into this study program, you need to have your secondary school diploma or your grade 12 within the following subjects. The first is your grade 12 university level English. The second is your grade 12 university or college level mathematics. The third is your grade 12 chemistry. Last but not least, we have grade 12 biology. Most of the colleges do also ask for additional 2 courses or 2 subjects on top of the above mentioned mandatory courses. Now let's just talk about grade percentage or an average percentage in order to get admission into this study program. The percentage of your grade 12, it depends on the college you are going to get admission, but mostly it varies from 70 to 75% in order to get admission into this study programs. You need to have 70 to 75% in your grade 12 in order to secure your place into this study program. BSc Nursing is a very competitive program and getting admission into this study program is very challenging. While I was doing research, I got the data from Lambton College for the year 2020 to 2021. You would be surprised to know that total number of seats available for BSc Nursing study program, they were around 60, and number of applicants who received offer in order to get admission to this study program, they were 161. Average admission percentage was 84% and average direct applicants need to get offered, they were 85%. So direct applicants means Canadian applicants, so they need to offer 85% of the seats to Canadian applicants, and only 15% they are supposed to offer seats to international applicants. So here you can conclude that only 85% of offers were given to Canadian applicants and only 15% of offers were given to international applicants. So here you can conclude that the competition is really high for this study program. If you want to get admission, then you need to score the percentage of around 84 or even beyond that in order to secure your place into this study program. Moving on, let's talk regarding the courses you are going to study while studying this study program. So this is a 4-year study program, means it consists of 8 semesters. So during these 8 semesters, you are going to study majorly regarding anatomy and physiology part 1, introduction to nursing professional, critical thinking, introduction to psychology, therapeutic communication, clinical microbiology, and report writing in nursing. You will study regarding lifespan development, ethics and moral theory, health assessments, and pharmacology. You will also study regarding community health nursing, statistics, and indigenous health. You will also study regarding caring of client during lifespan, nursing leadership and management, ethics and policies. During these semesters, you will be placed for your clinicals or for your placements either in long-term care home or in hospitals depending upon your college. You will also be introduced to simulation or lab practice hours in order to gain experience or to gain skills that you need in order to enter into real nursing world in hospitals or long-term care home. You will gain your skills and you can practice skills on dummies in simulation lab in order to practice yourself and feel comfortable before going into actual nursing in hospitals and long-term care home. Moving on, let's talk regarding the tuition charges for this study program. If we talk about the study program for domestic students, then for 2 semesters this study program is going to cost you around 7,000 to 8,000 Canadian dollars. On the other side, if we talk about international students, then this study program will cost you around 20,000 to 21,000 Canadian dollars for 2 semesters, that is 1 year. I just want to make you clarify that don't get scared with the tuition charges as an international applicant, because if you are intelligent person and you score high during your studies, then there are a lot of colleges that do offer scholarships, so you can waive your fees through your scholarship. So if you are going to score high, then chances are high you can gain one of the scholarships and pay your fee through your scholarship. So let's talk about Humber College regarding the scholarships program that are available to students. So if you are going to score around 95%, then they do offer 4,000 Canadian dollars of scholarship, and that is also renewable. If you are among the category of 90 to 94.9%, then you can get scholarship of around 3,500 Canadian dollars, and that is also renewable. 85 to 89.9, you can also get scholarship about 3,000 Canadian dollars, and it is also renewable. If you score from 80 to 84.9%, then you can get a scholarship of 2,000 Canadian dollars, and it is also renewable. If you score from 70 to 75.9, then you can get awarded with 1,500 Canadian dollars, and it is only one-time payment. In order to renew your scholarship, you need to maintain your score, and you need to score 80% or more in order to keep your scholarship renewable. Going forward, let's talk regarding requirements in order to secure your place for your clinical placements. So first come the medical requirements. These requirements are your immunization record and your blood test. Second comes your standard first aid certification and your CPR certification, that is cardiopulmonary resuscitation certificates. The third requirement is your respiratory mask fit testing, and the fourth requirement is your police check including vulnerable sector check. So these are the must requirements that you need to fulfill in order to secure your place for your placements. Moving forward, let's talk regarding the registration exam. Once you finish with your study, it doesn't matter if you are an international applicant or a domestic applicant. In order to start working as a nurse, you need to get your nursing license. In order to get your nursing license, you need to go for registration exam, that is Nclex-rn. For example, if you want to practice nursing in Ontario, then you need to get your nursing license with CNO. If you want to practice in any other province, then you need to get your nursing license with the licensing body of that province. So you cannot practice nursing without a license. You need to get your license with the province where you want to practice nursing. Each province in Canada does have its own nursing licensing process. So you need to complete that process and pass your exam and obtain your license before start working as a nurse here in Canada. Friends, I just want to give you a reminder that I have already made a video on Nclex-rn, what study resources you need to go for in order to crack your exam in your first try. So you can go check it out in order to get most from it. So additionally, I have also made a video on CAT system, that is computerized adaptive test system, that is used for exams like Nclex-rn or or REXPN. So if you want to get yourself familiarized that how does the CAT system work, how the scoring of Nclex-rn exam or REXPN exam works, then you can go check that out as well. So I will be posting the link in the description for those videos, so you can go check that out as well in order to get yourself familiarized with the Nclex study resources as well as with the computerized adaptive testing system used for Nclex-rn. Going forward, let's talk regarding the career opportunities after getting your nursing license here in Canada. Once you have your license with a nursing regulatory body within the province you want to practice nurses, you can easily start working as a registered nurse in hospital setting, in community setting, in long-term care home, in community, in doctor's office, in clinics, in maternity or pediatric. There are a lot of opportunities that you can grab and start working as a nurse. So some people do like working in community setting with different agencies, so there are always opportunities, and Canada is currently pretty short with nurses, so definitely it's gonna be a huge scope in future as well for nurses. You can also start working in rehabilitation centers, acute care centers, or community settings and public health centers. So here I also want to clarify that once you are graduated with your nursing program, you can also start working as a graduate nurse within different hospitals or with anywhere in Canada, but the pay for the graduate nurses is pretty low. Once you have your license with the regulatory body, you can start making good money with the provincial rate. Specifically, like in Ontario, it's ONA or QP union, so within a unionized environment they have fixed rates. So for that you can also check out my video salary of nurses in Canada. I will be posting a link in description so that you can have an idea what is the salary of nurses here in Canada in 2022. So friends, that was all regarding today's video regarding BSc nursing degree here in Canada, that is Bachelor's of Science in Nursing degree in Canada. Please do consider to like this video, share this video, and leave me a comment with your queries. Your subscription, likes and comments keeps me motivated. Thank you and have a wonderful day.